and welcome back to my YouTube channel. My name is Angeline and I am the owner of Angelic Creations. So the project that I am going to be doing for you all today is a project that you all have already seen. I have not gotten the chance to do mine, so I decided to do one in a graduation theme. So let's get started with the materials that you're going to need for the project. So you're going to need a wreath, what is this called? Like a foam? I can't remember exactly what it's used for, but it's more so like in the floral section in the Dollar Tree. I attempted to paint it, spray paint it gold, but as you can see, I was missing some little spots, but that's okay. I'm going to have some plates that I purchased from the Dollar Tree as well. These are the acrylic plates. It comes in a 4-pack. I'm just going to need one plate. And you will need these famous bowls that everyone was using for the last project. I have pink, and I already have my little shredded paper in the inside as well. And then I have my labels. I cut this out on my Cricut machine. We're going to read that in a second. But the first thing that I did was I took a lighter and I just went back and forth on this piece here. This is what's going to be flushed onto the bottom of the plate, like so. So all I did was took a lighter and I just went back and forth until I burned the foam down completely so that it'll be flush onto the bottom of the plate. So it's gonna look something like this. Okay, so we're going to apply a generous amount of hot glue here. And just make sure you have enough glue sticks. And then I'm going to press this firmly onto the bottom of the plate. So I'm going to use the center of the plate here with this little indentation here. And I'm going to place this middle part right on top of it. So I'm going to hold this down for a few seconds until I feel that it is tight and secure. Okay, so while that's drying, we're going to start working on our decals. So again, I've already printed mine out using my Cricut machine. So I'm just going to peel away the part that we are not going to apply to our project. So this is our year here, and this is the offset for my name. I'm just using my the first name for my business name, and then the second name I'm using just the initial. Okay, so once you have weeded all of your vinyl, you're just going to use your carrying sheet, which is this sheet here, to apply your vinyl to your bows, like I did this first bow here. So I'm going to show you how I did that using the other bow. So I took my carrying sheet. I'm going to place it on top of the first lettering. I'm going to use your scraping tool to apply the carrying sheet on top of the vinyl. And once you have done that a few times, and I also just do the back as well, you're going to remove your vinyl from its first sheet, and it will now apply to the carrier sheet, like so. And then I'm just going to line this up on top of my 2023. Okay, so once you have your vinyl on top of your carrying sheet, you're just going to take your vinyl and you're going to apply it to wherever you want to place it on the bowl. And I think I'm going to go about here. Okay, so I'm just going to place it down all at one time. like so, but then I'm going to start pressing each curve individually. So that's the first curve, second curve. Okay, and I'm just repeating the same steps until I get every piece onto the bow. Okay, now we're going to remove the carry piece slowly, making sure everything is down completely. Okay, and we're just going to do a final check. Okay, and now we have something that looks like this. My light is like really bright, but hopefully you all can see it. Now let's go to the next step. Place it one by one. Okay. So now I'm going to place this in the center, and I'm going to glue this down. Again, we're going to apply a generous amount of glue. Making sure I got my next glue stick in line, waiting. So I'm going to press some in the center. Then I'm going to place some around the edge of the bowl. Okay. Once we have that amount pressed, okay, and now, so for some reason my glue stick was not on. Okay. One more round. Okay, and now we're going to press the bow in the center. Okay, and lining it up with the center already, the little piece, circle piece that was already there. And we're just going to press down on this firmly for a few seconds. And we're pretty much complete at this point. Okay guys, so we are done, and now it's time to fill our bows with whatever we want to fill it with. But I thought that this is so cute to have like a nice little I guess a nice little presentation, like say if you're a teacher or some sort of instructor, or you work like in an office setting and you wanted to give out some treats. I thought this would really be like really cute to hand out the little rain pops inside of here, inside of the little giant rain pop here. So I thought that was really cute and really nice idea. And second idea I have is something that's cute, maybe for like someone who's going to college, but a girly, because I'm definitely a girly girl. So I'm going to show you the second idea I have as well. Okay, so the next idea is for someone who's like a girly girl, like I stated, who likes some nice little smell goods. This is a set that I purchased for myself from Bath and Body Works. So I'm just going to add these items in. And it's giving me like class ring vibes. So this is how it looks, and you can definitely add some more things on the side. And I'm going to show you. Once you place the this bowl on top, you still have plenty of more space. So go ahead and add as much as you would like. Again, this is something really cute, really easy, and simple to make. So if you have any questions, please do not hesitate to ask them below. And I hope that you all give this a try. And please think outside of the box. You can also create something for like maybe like a wedding. I don't know. It's just really different, cool, and you will definitely stand out. So until next time, stay tuned because we have plenty more videos coming soon. Bye.